What you're seeing right now isn't just an aerial shot, it's every shot. Today we're diving into the DJI Avata 360. We're talking about a 1-inch flagship sensor that changes the rules of FPV, 8K HDR video, and a transmission system that makes you feel like you've actually left the ground. The heart of this beast is the 1-inch image sensor. Most FPV drones compromise on quality for speed, but here we're getting 8K at 60 FPS in HDR. That's 120 megapixels of raw data. Why does that matter? Because of the infinite crop, you can shoot once and export a 1080p vertical for TikTok, a widescreen cinematic for YouTube, and a little planet for Instagram, all from the same flight path without losing usable quality. When you're threading the needle between steel and glass, latency is the enemy. The 04 Plus flagship transmission is the lifeline here. We're talking ultra-low latency and massive anti-interference. Even with skyscrapers blocking your line of sight, the real-time panoramic preview in your goggles stays crisp. It gives you the confidence to push the distance and precisely time those camera rolls. FPV used to be a high-stakes game of don't crash. But the Avata 360 features an omnidirectional obstacle sensing system paired with full propeller guards. Whether you're a beginner or a pro doing close-to-ground tracking, the flight modes have your back. You can boldly attempt architectural circling or tight tunnel runs that used to be crash-only maneuvers. Check out the virtual gimbal. Because the sensor captures everything, the gimbal is essentially infinite tilt and roll in post-production. The DJI Avata 360 isn't just a drone, it's a secondary creation powerhouse. If you want to stop worrying about where to point the camera and start focusing on the flight, this is the flagship you've been waiting for. Fly bold, and I'll see you in the next perspective. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.